Today on Ballistic BBQ, I'm going to be cooking up Cuban tacos. Let's get going. Two things I really love are tacos and the Cubano, the Cuban sandwich. So I thought, what would happen if a Cuban sandwich and a taco had a baby? We're going to find out right now. I have this part of the flat top running at medium high. I have this part running at a low medium. And I'm just going to use this to kind of warm up the meat we're going to be putting on this taco. Now, along with the ham, I'm using some of that roasted pork shoulder that I did, that barbecue roasted pork shoulder I did on my last Ballistic BBQ's video on the El Fuego Trio. And I wanted to have kind of that Cuban flair. So what I was going to do is make kind of a homemade mojo out of some orange juice, some lime juice, then mix in some cumin, some onion, some spices. But I found this instead at the grocery store. I'm being lazy here. This is a mojo made by Goya. Made it very simple, very easy. Smells really, really good. So I sliced some of those pieces of the pork shoulder and I have them marinating in this. So I'll lay down just a little nonstick on this side. We'll get some of that pork down. Smells really, really good right here. Here's some ham. This is some honey glazed ham. I'm going to lay down some bacon fat. I'm on a little bit of an incline here, so I'm going to try to manage this fat. I should have probably put this on more level ground. It'll be fine. Some adobo paste, chipotle peppers. I'm gonna make it kind of like a confit to cook these shells in tortillas. This smells really, really good. Corn tortillas. I want to get more fat down here for the flip when I put these guys. More of that adobo with the chipotle. Some Swiss cheese. Pork. Some ham. pickle. some dill pickle, some yellow mustard, and we'll get this flipped. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, let's try some tacos. And here we are. Let's check that out. So I have to tell you, the smell of that adobo with the chipotle in the bacon fat, that alone had me. We'll see how this tastes, but I'm really, really excited. It just, again, I love those Mexican, the Cubano sandwiches. So we'll see how we did. I never thought I'd see the day where I was eating a taco that had mustard and dill pickle on it. Cheers. This is crazy. Everything works. You know, texturally, you're getting that crispy taco, which is pretty warm right now. Then you're right off the bat getting into that nice porky flavor, but you're actually able to, you know, separate the flavor between that pork shoulder and that ham in here. The acidity of those pickles is off the hook. And I'm really glad I didn't add any more than I did anymore, but it would have been way too much, especially with, you know, the mustard, which also is pretty acidic, but it's needed. That Swiss cheese. What a combo. I think that bacon fat really contributed to the flavor here. And I knew that it was going to. I could tell just by the smell that was coming off. So good. The outside of the shell has so much flavor. Just, you know, that bacon, chipotle, adobo, confit is, oh, you know, it's giving it that nice texture, but also really the first thing you're tasting are the spices on the outside of this taco shell. That heat of the plancha there really activated the yellow mustard too. I mean, it's in a good way. You know, you're just, it's hitting you right in the face while you're, you know, eating this thing. That Swiss cheese, it's funny, I was never really a big fan of Swiss cheese, but over the years from making my, you know, the burger videos and everything, I've really learned to love it. You know, that little bit of funk it has. But with all of this porky goodness here, it's not too funky, that cheese. It's just definitely adding a really nice creaminess that this needs. Umami coming out. This is good. I am so happy I did this, and I'm wondering why didn't I do this before? But it's very fast and very easy, and it was a nice way to use some of the leftovers I had from that pork shoulder video. This is good. I need to do more leftover videos, I think, because this is really, really, really freaking good. Wow. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, joining me on this. Yeah, I'm at a loss for words. This is really, really good. I'm really glad that I used that adobo on the shells too. It would have been good without that, but this is really making it better. It's almost not quite the star, but it's really playing a starring role. So good. If you're new to the channel, or if you hadn't hit the subscribe button yet, please, please, please consider hitting the sub button. Ring the notification bell, thumb it up if you like it. I hope you did. Any suggestions, just let me know. You can leave them in the comments or shoot me an email. My email address is down there in the description box. See you on the next video. Cheers.